Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast.
Hi friends, we're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is talking about work in English.
Yes, we will practice simple English conversations about work, jobs, coworkers, schedules, and daily tasks.
This episode is great for A2 English learners.
We'll listen, discuss, and then listen again together.
And don't worry if English feels difficult sometimes.
That's normal. You are learning step by step.
Good job for practicing today.
And before we start, please like the podcast and subscribe for more English practice.
Okay, let's begin.
Ronald, do you work in an office?
Yes, I do. I work in a small office.
Nice. What do you do there?
I answer emails, talk to customers, and join meetings.
Great example.
Thanks.
Everyone, listen to this sentence. My job is busy.
Repeat after Stephanie.
My job is busy.
One more time.
My job is busy.
Very nice.
Busy means you have many things to do.
For example, my office is busy on Monday.
Or, I am busy this morning.
Stephanie, are you busy every day?
Not every day. Some days are busy and some days are slow.
That's real life.
Exactly.
Let's practice another phrase. What do you do?
This is a very common question in English.
People ask this when they want to know your job.
Listen carefully. What do you do?
Now repeat.
What do you do?
Great job.
Here's a simple answer. I'm a teacher.
Or, I work in a bank.
Or, I work at a restaurant.
Let's make a short dialogue.
Okay.
Hi, Stephanie. What do you do?
I work in a bookstore.
Nice. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like talking to customers.
Very natural conversation.
Now let's listen again.
Hi, Stephanie. What do you do?
I work in a bookstore.
Nice. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like talking to customers.
Perfect.
Everyone, notice the phrase, I work in.
You can say, I work in a hospital.
I work in a school.
I work in an office.
Very useful English.
Stephanie, what time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Ah, okay.
What about you?
I start work early.
Really?
Yes, I start work at 7 a.m.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, but I like mornings.
Let's practice the phrase, I start work at.
Repeat after us.
I start work at 9 a.m.
Again.
I start work at 9 a.m.
Nice work.
You can also say, I finish work at 5 p.m.
Finish work means your workday ends.
Example, I finish work at 6 p.m.
Or, my father finishes work late.
Ronald, do you work with many people?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your coworkers?
Yes, my coworkers are friendly.
That's great.
Everyone. Coworkers means the people you work with.
Listen carefully. My coworkers are friendly.
Repeat.
My coworkers are friendly.
Good pronunciation.
Let's make another conversation.
Okay.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because my coworkers are friendly.
Nice answer.
Now let's listen again.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because my coworkers are friendly.
Excellent.
Stephanie, what do you usually do at work?
I write reports and answer phone calls.
That sounds busy.
Sometimes it is.
Everyone, listen to these work phrases. Answer phone calls.
Write reports.
Send emails.
Talk to customers.
Repeat after us.
Send emails.
Send emails.
Talk to customers.
Talk to customers.
Great job.
Let's talk about lunch breaks.
Yes, lunch breaks are important.
What do you eat for lunch at work?
Usually rice, vegetables, and tea.
Sounds healthy.
Thank you.
My quick lunch is a sandwich and a banana.
Nice and simple. Everyone, listen to this sentence. My quick lunch is a sandwich and a banana.
Repeat after Ronald. My quick lunch is a sandwich and a banana.
Very good.
Stephanie, do you sometimes feel tired at work?
Oh yes, especially in the afternoon.
Same here.
Everyone, tired is a very useful word.
Example, I feel tired after work.
Or, she is tired today.
Repeat after us.
I feel tired after work.
Again.
I feel tired after work.
Excellent.
But remember, practice English every day.
Even 10 minutes can help you improve.
You're improving already.
Yes, you are doing great.
Ronald, do you work from home sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I work from home.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's quiet and comfortable.
Nice.
But sometimes I miss my coworkers.
That makes sense.
Everyone, listen to this phrase. I work from home.
Repeat after Ronald.
I work from home. Again.
I work from home.
Wonderful. Let's practice a longer conversation now.
Good idea.
Hi, Stephanie. How's work today?
It's busy, but good.
What are you doing today?
I'm answering emails and talking to customers.
Nice. What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Great. Are you tired?
A little, but I'm okay.
Very natural English.
Now let's listen again slowly.
Hi, Stephanie. How's work today?
It's busy, but good.
What are you doing today?
I'm answering emails and talking to customers.
Nice. What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Great. Are you tired?
A little, but I'm okay.
Excellent listening practice.
Everyone, Let's learn another useful phrase. I have a meeting.
Repeat after Stephanie.
I have a meeting.
Again.
I have a meeting.
Good.
Example, I have a meeting this afternoon.
Or, my manager has a meeting.
Ronald, are meetings always interesting?
Honestly, not always.
Same here.
But meetings are important sometimes.
Definitely.
Another useful word is manager.
A manager is the person who leads the team.
Example, my manager is very kind.
Or, I talked to my manager today.
Repeat after us.
My manager is very kind.
Nice job.
Ronald, what do people usually say before leaving work?
Many people say, see you tomorrow.
Or, have a good evening.
Let's practice.
See you tomorrow.
Have a good evening.
Very good.
Here's a short ending conversation.
Okay.
Bye, Stephanie. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Ronald. Have a good evening.
Thanks. You too.
Nice and simple. English conversations do not need to be complicated.
Simple English is powerful.
And repetition helps a lot. Yes. Listen again and practice speaking aloud.
Even small practice is important.
Before we finish, let's review today's key phrases.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
I start work at 9 a.m.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
My coworkers are friendly.
I work from home.
I have a meeting.
I feel tired after work.
Excellent work today, everyone.
Yes. Keep practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will grow.
And remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Absolutely.
Thanks so much for listening today.
We had a great time practicing English with you.
Tell us in the comments, what do you do for work?
And what time do you start your day?
We'd love to hear from you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and keep practicing English.